Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn step by step how to follow a channel on WhatsApp using your PC. WhatsApp's latest update has made this process super easy, and it only takes a few clicks. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you're using WhatsApp web through your browser or the desktop application, make sure you're logged in with your account. Once it's open, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a sidebar that shows your chats, groups, and more. Now, in that left sidebar, click on the section labeled Channels. This is the new space designed for following creators, organizations, and updates without mixing them into your private chats. Once you're in the Channel section, you'll see a list of channels that are available to explore or that you might already be following. Next, find the channel you want to follow. You can search for it by name or browse through the suggestions that WhatsApp displays. When you found the one you're looking for, simply click on it to open the channel's page. There, you'll see the latest posts, updates, and media shared by that channel. Finally, all you need to do is click the follow button. That's it. You've now followed the channel and will start seeing its updates appear in your channels section whenever new posts are shared. This new channels feature is a great way to stay updated with your favorite organizations, communities, and creators, all without cluttering your personal chats. Everything remains private and your following list stays just for you. Now you know exactly how to follow a channel on WhatsApp from your PC. Simple, quick, and totally convenient. If this guide helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and check out other updates about WhatsApp's newest features. Thanks for watching. For